Hi everyone, welcome back. I thought we'd have a go at Christmas tag with distress stones. So we have got shabby shutters. I've just grabbed a load that I thought looked alright. Evergreen bough, ice spruce, that's actually an oxide, and that one, old paper, which is actually green. Who knew? I've also got some pumice stone as a maybe. Right, let's start with, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this sheet and then cut it out to size to fit one of these little things. So I'm not fussed about doing it all, but it gives me the option of picking out the best bits, I think is the way to say it. These things are great, it just means you can just have a play, get the colours in, everything's... And it's a reasonably cheap way of doing it. Right, let's go for a bright one. How bright? Oh, that's not bad. This is, excuse me, evergreen bough this one is. Ooh, wrong bit. A bit up there. Okay, let's leave that one for a minute. Shabby shutters, which is, yeah, surprisingly green. Oh, I quite like that. That's a nice contrast. It is absolutely hammering down outside. Even the cats come in. Right, I think maybe I've lost a bit of contrast. So I've been messing around with a jelly plate. I actually bought one, and I think I need to watch a few more tutorials, because this, although it looks a bit of a mess on the screen, actually looks quite nice in real life. In fact, what it does, this thing is having real... I've got a different camera because of having to set up on on the one over the side. So I'm using a very old camcorder that I used to use. I used to get my husband to video me with when I was doing my dressage competitions. And it was old paper. Oh yeah. Old paper is green. Oh, let's get that one off. Right, that's... Do you know what? I think that actually needs, rather than... Let's give it a bit of a go. I need something to tie it all together, I think. I've got all this traditional papers, all these sort of paper pads, designer pads that I've used. What's that one? What's that one? And it's like, oh, I've come to the conclusion I much prefer doing my own though. Right, now that needs, I don't know what that needs, really gesso I think. Right, first of all I'm going to cut out some bits that I actually like, quite like in those two corners. I think I'm going to cut this one out. Oops. It would probably be a lot easier. Well, it would be a lot quicker, I suppose, if you just did a little piece. I always find I do little ones and then I don't actually like what I've done. So with a big sheet, I get to pick. I quite like that. Ooh. Oh well, that one's gone. Right, let's try. Just knocking this back a bit. If I get a scrap piece. Right, well I'm thinking I have loads and loads of Christmas ephemera. Been doing it a few years and it's like, oh, no, she won't go. He might. Oh, we have a toning green one. What else have we got? Santa and his sledge. Sorry, I've just realised I'm putting that off camera. I've been cutting out all sorts of bits, so I cut out there. This was on one of my ephemera things. Just a little word. I quite like that. I quite like Santa in there with some words. I have also, if I can find them, buried amongst my desk. You know, you end up with washi tape you don't use. Well, I do. Buy a pack and then think, oh, these ones, I'm not sure what set these are in. But I've got glittery ones and we've got sort of rose gold type effect going on and gold ones. So I'm thinking Santa, actually that might not need anything else other than, I quite like the cloud effect. Santa. Oh, I actually picked out maybe they could go at the top. Yeah, they might look a bit odd with Santa standing. Let's stamp. Right, I actually picked out peacock feathers for this. See what it looks like. Oh wow, yeah, like that. So if I have them going off to the side perhaps. So it looks like Santa's. Yep, quite liking that. I know, I'm supposed to clean them off properly. There you go. So we have Santa, and then we have a little thing. I don't think that needs any gesso actually. I'm really liking that. Okay, so let's go around. Can't find walnut stain. I got reminded on the school run this morning. So it is 6, well, I'm sure she said 63. I think it's a bit more than that. Days till Christmas. I'm like, blimey, we're counting down already. I suppose when you're 10 years old, that is one of the most important events in your calendar. Yay! Maybe Santa actually needs something. Now I've either got... That was a bit of a hash. I started doing this in my scrapbooking and my collage pages. Glue book scrapbooking. And I really like the way it makes the figures stand out. But I don't know. Actually, yeah. I think we could live with that. Okay. Let's give this one a bit of definition. What do we think? I think that looks pretty good. I don't even think I need anything on there. I quite like that pink ocean. So it's alright. When I was cutting those, that bit went a little bit wrong. So it's just don't you just hate washi tape that won't stick? Trim those off after. Hey, a bit of glitz like that. Right, let's have a go. I've just noticed I am running out of glue stick. We have an errant strand. Have I still got this on camera yet? Let's push him up there. Let's see if we're going to have enough glue. Let's put this over here. Okay, let's rip some of these bits off. So there we have it. Blimey, washi tape that won't stick, and now it's stuck everywhere. There we go. Oh, where are we? Different camera, different angles. A very nice, easy. I love these because you can, you know that background is going to be your own. Nobody has got that because I couldn't replicate that background again. Right, a very quick, very easy Santa tag. Well, thanks very much for watching. You take care now, and I will speak to you all later. Bye.